Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I would like to explain another example on finding eigenvalues and eigenvectors for this given matrix. See the solution. So first of all, let us represent the given matrix with capital A. Given that capital A is equal to 8 minus 6 2 minus 6 7 minus 4 2 minus 4 3. This is the given matrix. So first of all, for finding eigenvalues we have to find out the characteristic equation of A. What is the formula for characteristic equation? Determinant of A minus lambda is equal to 0. Okay. So before finding this equation, I will find out some quantities. First one is trace of A. What is trace of A? Sum of diagonals. 8 plus 7 plus 3. So 10 plus 8, 18. You can say this is S1. Next, we have to find out sum of cofactors of diagonals. Sum of cofactors of diagonals in the given matrix capital A is equal to already you know that there are 3 diagonals. Each diagonal has a cofactor. What is the cofactor of 8? Close the first column and first row, you will get a 2 by 2 matrix. This one 7 minus 4 minus 4 3. The determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix is called cofactor of the diagonal 8. Next, cofactor. Cofactor of second diagonal. Look at the corner elements 8, 2, 2, 3. Plus cofactor of the last element. See the first one, first part 8 minus 6 minus 6 7. Cofactor is nothing but just you can close that row and column, you will get your 2 by 2 matrix. Determinant of the 2 by 2 matrix is called cofactor. So 7 3s are 21. Minus into minus into minus. 3 negative signs are there. So you will get negative 16. 4 4s are 16. Plus 8 3s are 24. Minus 2 2s are 4. Plus 8 7s are 56. Minus 6 6 are 36. Okay, minus into minus plus, already negative sign is there. So 21 minus 16, it would be 5, it would be 20, it would be 20. However, it is 45. You can take this is S2. Okay, now finally we have to find out determinant A. We have to find out det A. I will find out det A manually. Okay, if you have interest, you can calculate det A by using your scientific calculator. Already in earlier video, I am giving you how to find det A in calculator. Okay, see here 8 into 7 3s are 21 minus 16 minus of minus plus 6. So minus 6 3s are minus 18 minus of minus plus 8 plus 2 into last element into close that column and row, you will get 24 minus 14. Okay, so 21 minus 16 5 8s are 40. Next, minus 18 plus 8 minus 10 into 6 minus 60, and finally 24 minus 14 10 times of 2 is 20. So 40 plus 20 60 minus 60, it would be 0. So determinant of the given matrix is 0. You can say this is S3. Okay, now write the formula for characteristic equation. The characteristic equation of A is determinant of A minus lambda is equal to 0. If you have the interest, you can write characteristic matrix also. It is not necessary to write characteristic matrix every time. So what is determinant of A minus lambda I? Just subtract the diagonal elements with lambda. Already know it. 8 minus lambda minus 6 2 minus 6 7 minus lambda minus 4 2 minus 4 3 minus lambda is equal to 0. So what is the shortcut to get determinant of this matrix? Whenever diagonals are subtracted with lambda, you can take characteristic equation as lambda cube minus next term is lambda square whose coefficient is trace of A. I am denoting the trace of A with S1. So the formula is S1 lambda square plus alternately you will get positive and negative. Next term is lambda whose coefficient is sum of cofactors of diagonals in A which is represented by S2. You can write this formula in our exams, no problem. Minus det A. What is det A? S3. This is the shortcut formula to get determinant of this type of 3 by 3 matrix. So lambda cube minus what is S1? 18 lambda square plus S2. What is S2? 45 lambda minus S3. It would be 0. So this is called characteristic equation of A. Since A is a 3 by 3 matrix, its characteristic equation is a third degree algebraic equation. Hence it has exactly 3 roots. That 3 roots are known as eigenvalues. The roots of characteristic equation are known as eigenvalues. Don't forget it. Now we are going to find out roots of this algebraic equation. If you have the scientific calculator, you can use that calculator and find out the roots. Now I am finding the roots manually. Since constant is not there, lambda is the common term. So you will get lambda square minus 18 lambda plus 45 is equal to 0. Okay, suppose constant is there, we can find out the 3 roots by using Kahn-Hans method, otherwise synthetic division method. Okay. Sorry. So 3 15s are 45, 3 15 is 18. Since we have negative sign, give the negative signs to both. So what are the factors? Lambda times of lambda minus 3 into, just I am writing the factors only. So however, each factor is 0. So lambda is equal to 0, lambda minus 3 is equal to 0, then 3 is a root, lambda minus 15 is equal to 0 means 15 is a root. These are the eigenvalues of A. We can also easily check that our eigenvalues are right or wrong in this solution. Okay, we have a property on eigenvalues. Sum of eigenvalues is trace of A. See, find out addition of these eigenvalues. 0 plus 3 plus 15, 18. Already we got trace of A, which is 18. Okay, you can check it for every problem in our exams. And product of the eigenvalues is det A. 0 into 3 into 15. 0 into anything is 0. Already we got det A is 0. So sum of eigenvalues is trace of A and product of the eigenvalues is det A. So our problem is right. That's why I am going to next step. The next step is to find out the eigenvectors. See. Text heading to find eigenvectors. Since capital A is a 3 by 3 matrix, it has exactly 3 eigenvalues and every eigenvalue has a eigenvector. So in 3 cases we have to find out 3 eigenvectors. See. Case 1. What is the first eigenvalue? Lambda is equal to 0. You can take any one. Okay. Then the corresponding eigenvector. The corresponding eigenvector. What is the definition of eigenvector? Eigenvector is a non-zero solution for the homogeneous system of the system A minus lambda I of x is equal to O. Here lambda is equal to 0. So A minus 0 is just A. So write A here. What is A? Given matrix. 8 minus 6 2 minus 6 7 minus 4 and 2 minus 4 3 of what is X? Variable matrix, column variable matrix. Okay, clearly this system denotes three equations. So first row represents first equation, second row represents second equation, third row represents third equation. You can solve any two equations for getting non-zero solution. In general, we can solve first two equations. Okay, so first write the y coefficients. Minus 6, 7. Next, z coefficients. 2 minus 4. Next, x values, x coefficients. 8 minus 6. Write again y coefficients. You are all very familiar about this model in our intermediate stage to solve any two equations. Okay, x by 6 4s are 24 minus into minus plus. Minus 2 7s are 14. Y by minus 12 plus 32. Z by 7 8s are 56 minus plus already minus is there, 6 6s are 36. So x by 10, y by 20, z by 20. 10 gets cancelled. X by 1, y by 2, z by 2. So x1 is equal to xyz is equal to 1 2 2 is the eigenvector of A when the eigenvalue is 0. It means that this is the eigenvector of the given matrix A corresponding to the eigenvalue lambda is equal to 0. Similarly, we have to find out the eigenvector when lambda is equal to 3 and the eigenvector when lambda is equal to 15. See. So, write case 2. When the eigenvalue is 3, then consider the system. What is the homogeneous system here? The coefficient matrix should be characteristic matrix. A minus lambda I of x is equal to O. This is not 0, O, null matrix. Replace lambda is equal to respective eigenvalue A minus 3i of x is equal to O. What is A minus 3i? Just subtract the diagonal elements with 3. 8 minus 3. You will get 5. Negative 6. Don't take that, it is a matrix. Negative 6. 7 minus 3. 4 minus 4. 2 minus 4. 3 minus 3 would be 0. You can solve any two equations for getting non-zero solution. Okay, it is not necessary to reduce this matrix into echelon form. Don't use general method to solve Ax is equal to O here. Okay, it is not necessary. Directly you can solve any two equations to get the non-zero solution. Don't forget it. If you use that method, problem becomes very tough. X, Y, Z. So x, y, z. Negative 6, 4. 2, negative 4. 5, negative 6. Negative 6, 4. X by 24 minus 8. Y by minus 12. Minus of minus plus. 5 4s are 20. Z by 5 4s are 20. Minus 36. 3 negative signs are there, that's why you are getting negative sign between them. X by 16, y by 8, z by negative 16. So 8 gets cancelled. X by 2, y by 1, z by minus 2. So respective eigenvector is, you can denote with x2, is 2 1 minus 2. Is the eigenvector of A when otherwise corresponding to the eigenvalue 3. Okay, if anybody got the eigenvector as -2, -1, +2, then it is also right. Don't forget it, because this homogeneous system has infinite number of non-zero solutions. That's why. Okay, look at the case 3. See the case 3. When lambda is equal to 15, third eigenvalue is the 15. Then consider the homogeneous system A minus lambda I of x is equal to O. Replace lambda is equal to 15. So what is A minus 15i? Just you can subtract the diagonal elements with the 15. So in here you can take lambda is equal to 15. So what is 8 minus 15? -7, -6, 2, -6, 7 minus 15, -8, -4, 2, -4, 3 minus 15. It would be -12 of x, y, z is equal to, okay, you can solve any two equations. So x, y, z, write the y coefficients first. Next z coefficients 2 minus 4, -7, -6, -6, -8. X by 4 6 are 24. Minus 2 8s are minus of minus plus. Don't forget sign. Y by -12, -28. Finally z by 56 minus of minus plus -36. So however it is x by 40, y by -40, and z by 20. So 2 gets cancelled. X by 2, y by -2, z by 1. Okay, don't write this one as eigenvector. Okay, it is better to write here. In our mathematics, if there is 40 by 20, you should cancel them. Okay, don't write 40 by 20 in our mathematics. So x3 is equal to 2 minus 2, 1 is the corresponding eigenvector of A when lambda is equal to 15. I hope you are all understand this concept. In the next video I will give some more examples on finding eigenvalues and corresponding eigenvectors. Thank you very much.